Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a two photo collage in Photoshop. Let's begin. White, height, pixels, resolution for print 300 and for web 72. Then click OK. Then insert an image. Go to File, Place and select your image. Hold Shift and again go to File, Place, hold Shift right click on your mouse, use polygonal lasso tool and select it, create a layer mask. Right click, rasterize layer, OK. Then add a stroke, white color, stroke size, shadow, that's it. Then save mode, go to file, save as JPG or PSG as you wish. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.